This is Radu from Kungi Engineering College. I have developed a web page for tracking COVID-19 live details. I have used the API which is provided by the government in order to track the details. What I have done is I have gathered the data and used in my web page in order to get the list of the COVID-19 affected countries with the number of counts. Okay, this is the web page. Here I have used the header page. This is the GIF page, and what I have used additional feature is I have used API provided by the Google, that is geolocation API. From that we can able to access our live location, and I have used the YouTube URL and encoded in my page. And I have, this is the important page, that is an important part of this page, that is the COVID-19 counts. These are the counts provided by the government. What I have done is I have decoded that information and I have encoded in my page. This is the information which is provided from the API, that is COVID-19 API, and I have encoded in my page. That's the result is here. And I have also added total and also printed in the table format. Okay, now we are going into the code area. I have encoded this code both in GitHub as well as 000 web host. First of all, I will explain the code in GitHub. This is the code, and this is the heading details, and this is the bootstrap details. In order to provide a great design, bootstrap plays a major role. So I have used the bootstrap, and this is the main area. And this is the YouTube URL what I have taken from the YouTube and encoded in my page using iframe technique. And this is the main area, that is Ajax area. What I have done is in GitHub it is difficult to access PHP file, so I have included PHP file in separate database, that is 000 web host. From that I am accessing this information, and the link is I have provided here, which I have uploaded the code in that area, that is project 20 web host, which is created by me. And then I will call the information and will fetch the details and display in this page. This is for displaying the date, and this is for displaying the geolocation. What I have done is I have gathered the current location using geolocation API, and I have stored the latitude and longitude values in latitude and longitude variable, and finally I displayed this using location.php. that I have called this and I have get the geolocation and printed in my page. Okay, let's get into the topic, that is table topic, where I have called using 000 web host, and that code will be here. And this is the code what I have used there, that is I have used in 000 web page. And what I have done is I have get the link from the government, that is api.covid19india.org, which is a API link, and I have stored in that variable named data, and then I have decoded the data and assigned that value to the variable named corona. Since there are many states, we have to print one by one, so that I have gone for the loop called while loop. Since we can use any kind of loop, here I have counted the state I have counted the states and stored in the variable named state count, and then with the help of the state count I am printing the one by one state with the affected details. And this is the code for that. State wise, for printing one by one, I have incremented the I value here, so that once I value incremented, it will print by the step by step manner. And then this is the code for that 000 web host page. And finally our application will look like this, with the Google API, with the YouTube, with the COVID-19 API. Thank you.